2025 Ford Mustang GT. It's all factory right at the moment. We're gonna liven it up a little bit, put a true X pipe in there, take the factory resonator out. It's gonna stay all stock. Just want to give it a little more sound, and we're gonna do a little before and after. So let's see what it sounds like before we do anything to it. You know, it's got a little throaty tone to it, just a mild tone, nothing too crazy. So we're just going to step it up a little bit with a little sound, a little more performance. So we'll get back to you here. All right, so you can see we now have a true X pipe in there in place of the factory dual in, dual out resonator. We do have the stock muffler still on the back. We're going to see what that does to it. Let's see what it sounds like. Well, it definitely woke it up a little bit. Don't think the customer wants it real loud. He'll have to be the judge, but you can definitely get it louder by taking the rear mufflers, changing those out, of course. Different strokes for different folks, I'd say. Sounds pretty good.